buying a practice, what do we look for? Well, it just so happens I've never been in this business of buying businesses up until more recently, although I've always had a view on things. But we've bought about 20 businesses now within the CountPlus business, and because we've listed them on the stock exchange, so I'm talking from a listed point of view, because nobody wants to buy your shares on the stock market unless your profits are going up. Because if your profits are not going up, you're just flatlining, and nobody wants to buy a flatliner. So the things that I would look for if I was buying a business is obviously the sustainability of that business, goes without saying, and you've got to buy it at the right price. It's got to be value, otherwise you'll accelerate your demise. But the most important thing is the ability of that business to grow and to keep on growing. So you need a track record. Like sometimes you go to a business and they say, look, Barry, we're not making any money, mate, but once you start to own us or whatever, this will be a fantastic business for you. And I say, well, no. You show me how you can, because you're going to run the business, not me. You show me how you can make this business a real business and come back in 3 years or 5 years' time. So you've got to have a track record of growth, and you've got to be able to convince the buyer that you can continue to grow. Now, the exception to that might be if an institution wants to buy to flog product through you. I would have thought those days are over, but that might be some exception as to why institutions do certain things. But generally, if you're selling it to another advisor or an aggregator like CountPlus, they'll want to see the profit growth, but more importantly, where the profit growth is going to come from in the future.